Welcome to our video on building a profitable online store from scratch, a step-by-step guide. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own online store and turning it into a profitable business, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process, providing useful tips and strategies along the way. So let's get started. Setting up your online store. Choosing the right e-commerce platform. The first step in building a profitable online store is selecting the right e-commerce platform. There are several options available, each with its own strengths and features. From popular platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce to customizable solutions like Magento, you need to choose one that fits your budget, technical requirements, and business goals. Designing your storefront. Once you've chosen your e-commerce platform, it's time to design your storefront. Remember, first impressions matter, so invest time in creating a visually appealing and user-friendly website. Intuitive navigation, attractive product displays, and a seamless checkout process are essential for a successful online store. Integrating payment gateways. To ensure smooth and secure transactions, it's crucial to integrate payment gateways into your online store. Platforms like PayPal, Stripe, and Authorize.net offer secure payment solutions that inspire trust in your customers and help streamline the buying process. Setting up inventory management. To efficiently manage your products and streamline your operations, it's important to set up an inventory management system. This system will help you track stock levels, manage orders, and avoid overselling. Consider using inventory management software or plugins provided by your e-commerce platform. Choosing and sourcing products. Identifying your niche. To stand out from the competition, it's essential to identify a niche for your online store. Look for untapped opportunities, specific customer needs, or unique product categories that align with your passions and expertise. This will help you target the right audience and establish your brand. Conducting market research. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to conduct thorough market research. Analyze consumer demand, competition, pricing, and trends to ensure there's a viable market for your products. Use online tools like Google Trends and social media insights to gain valuable insights and make informed decisions. Sourcing products. After conducting market research, it's crucial to find reliable suppliers or manufacturers to source quality products. Research wholesalers, attend trade shows, or consider drop shipping as a fulfillment method. Maintaining good relationships with suppliers is essential to ensure timely deliveries and consistent product quality. Pricing and profit margins. Setting appropriate pricing for your products is crucial for profitability. Consider factors like production costs, customer expectations, competition, and profit margins. It's important to strike a balance between attracting customers and ensuring sustainable profitability. Marketing and promoting your store. Creating a marketing plan. To drive traffic and sales to your online store, you need a well-defined marketing plan. Determine your target audience, identify the most effective marketing channels, and craft compelling messages that resonate with your potential customers. Consider incorporating SEO, social media marketing, content creation, email marketing, and paid advertising into your strategy. Search engine optimization, SEO. Enhancing your online store's visibility in search engine results is crucial for organic traffic. Optimize your website structure, content, and keywords to rank higher in search engines like Google. Research and implement effective SEO techniques like on-page optimization, link building, and strategic content creation to attract potential customers. Engaging customers with content. Engaging and informative content is a powerful tool for attracting and retaining customers. Create compelling product descriptions, blog posts, how-to guides, and videos that provide value to your audience. Content marketing builds trust, establishes your authority, and helps create strong customer relationships. Social media marketing. Leverage the power of social media platforms to promote your online store. Identify the platforms where your target audience spends the most time and create engaging social media content. Develop a social media calendar, engage with your followers, run targeted ads, and collaborate with influencers to increase your brand's visibility. Building an email marketing strategy. Email marketing is a cost-effective way to reach and engage your customers. Build an email list by offering incentives, such as exclusive discounts or valuable content. Create personalized email campaigns to nurture leads, re-engage customers, and promote new products or special offers. Optimizing your store for conversions. Analyzing store metrics. To continuously improve your online store's performance, it's crucial to analyze key metrics. Utilize tools like Google Analytics to monitor website traffic, conversion rates, customer behavior, and other important metrics. This data will help you identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions. User experience and website optimization. A seamless user experience is vital for conversions. Optimize your website's loading speed, navigation, and mobile responsiveness to create a user-friendly environment. Ensure that your product pages have clear, compelling calls to action, high-quality images, and informative descriptions to encourage conversions. Customer reviews and social proof. Customer reviews and social proof play a significant role in building trust and encouraging purchases. Implement a review system on your online store and encourage customers to leave feedback. Display positive customer testimonials and ratings to build credibility and reassure potential buyers. Implementing upselling and cross-selling strategies. Upselling and cross-selling techniques can boost your store's profitability. Offer customers relevant product recommendations based on their browsing or purchasing history. Highlight related products, bundle offers, or premium alternatives to encourage customers to add more items to their cart. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our step-by-step guide on building a profitable online store from scratch. By following the strategies and tips outlined in this video, you're now equipped to create an online store that drives sales and generates profits. Remember, building a successful online store requires dedication, continuous learning, and adapting to your customers' needs. Best of luck on your e-commerce journey.